Reg FD English for Investors, safe phrasing for roadshows, and Q&A. Welcome. Today we're unpacking Reg FD, the rule that keeps markets fair by ensuring equal information for all investors. The core idea: no one should get selective, non-public details that could move the stock. Risk spikes during roadshows and Q&A, where casual answers can slip into material new info. Using clear, plain English lowers both legal risk and language risk. Fewer misunderstandings, fewer surprises. Think of Reg FD as your guide to communicating confidently. Be consistent, be transparent, and keep material updates available to everyone at the same time. Stay within the public record. Anything already filed, press released, or webcast is fair game. When asked for specifics, use approved ranges, not fresh precision. Say mid-teens growth, rather than a new percentage. You can describe trends qualitatively. For example, pipeline activity remains stable, but avoid turning that into a forecast. Anchor your statements with references to prior disclosures and dates, like as noted in our 8K on May 3rd. This keeps your comments consistent, verifiable, and safely aligned with what the market already knows. Steer clear of unreleased earnings, deals, or guidance. Even hints can be material. Don't reveal customer names or contract values that aren't public. Anonymity protects both compliance and relationships. Avoid unveiling unit economics beyond disclosed metrics. New KPIs can signal unannounced performance. And never offer off-the-record details or enrich one-on-ones with extras you didn't share broadly. If it would change how a reasonable investor values the company, it's a red flag until it's publicly disclosed. Word choice matters. Use hedges like, based on public information we can say, to frame your scope. Defer when needed. We can't comment beyond guidance. Redirect to the record. Please see our 8K dated May 3rd. When safe to discuss demand, keep it high level. Demand remains solid year over year. These phrases set expectations, protect against accidental new disclosures, and signal that you're committed to fair, consistent communication with the entire market. Acknowledge the question, then bridge to public facts. Good question. Based on what we've disclosed, Q2 drivers were FX and mix. Offer direction. You'll find the details in our filings and the IR site. If timing is the issue, invite follow-up after a public update. Use clear timeframes. We'll discuss that on the next earnings call. This approach respects the asker, maintains momentum, and keeps you firmly inside Reg FD while still being helpful and responsive. With numbers, be precise about your limits. Prefer ranges and approximations, low double digits, around $50 million, over new exact figures. Avoid language that implies new guidance, like tracking ahead of plan, unless that's already public. Compare against already disclosed periods, comparable to last quarter's margin profile. Always flag uncertainty, subject to seasonality and macro variability. This signals caution, maintains credibility, and prevents accidental updates to market expectations. Before going live, set an IR stop list of topics to avoid and an escalation path for tough questions. Record or webcast sessions to equalize access. If everyone can hear it, it's safer. If something slips, correct promptly via an 8K and align all channels to that correction. Train presenters and rehearse Q&A with realistic curveballs. These controls create a safety net that protects both compliance and your message discipline. Default to public, filed, or webcast content. That's your safe harbor. Use clear lines. No update beyond what's disclosed. Bridge with references. Let me point you to our 10Q. When in doubt, keep it high level and consistent with prior statements. Remember, consistency and caution protect credibility. Speak plainly, cite the record, and save material updates for broad disclosure, so every investor gets the same information at the same time.